see as an echelon form, where echelon form is also used to find the rank of the given matrix. Suppose they have given the matrix as an A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. The rank of the matrix as in 3 by 3. Here we can use only row operation. We cannot use the column operation to reduce the lower matrix as in 0. We have to make these element as in 0 by using only row operations, and this echelon form is also known as E-row form. For making these as in zeros, we have to make it as in the first element, and we have to see that in echelon form the very first element has to be not equals to 0, and it's not necessary it has to be as in 1. It can be any element. By using the R1, these two elements we can make it as in 0. Once it's become as in 0, then we have to make this as in 0. This is known as echelon form. When the lower triangle is got reduces to the zeros, then it will known as echelon form, where the rank we have to write on based on the non-zero rows. How many non-zero rows are there? Based on that we are going to write the rank of the matrix. In echelon form, the very first element has to be as an non-zero element. As the rows increases, number of zeros will increases. The second row has to consider as in single zero. Next, the third has to be considered as in double zero. Then next, fourth row has to be considered as in triple zeros. As rows increases, number of zeros will increases. We have to make the lower triangle as in equals to zeros. That will called as in the given matrix is got reduced to echelon form. If you'll see the problem, then it will be more clear. Let's see the problem. Reduce the matrix. A is equals to, they have given the matrix as in 4 by 4 matrices, 1 2 3 0 2 4 3 2 3 2 1 3 6 8 7 5 into echelon form and find the rank of the matrix. So we have to make the lower triangle is equals to 0 by using the row operation, and here we cannot use the column operation, only as in row operation. With the help of the row operation, we have to make the triangle is equals to lower triangle is equals to 0. So the first operation will be the given A is equals to the given matrix as in 1 2 3 0 2 4 3 2 3 2 1 3 6 8 7 5. Then we have to make these element as in zeros by using the row operation. The operation as in R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 3 R1, then R4 tends to R4 minus 6 R1. Then we will get the matrix as in 1 2 3 0. This as in 0. We have used the operation as in R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus of n minus 2, it's as in 0. Then 4 minus 2 into 2, as in again this as in 0. Then 3 minus 6 will give you as in minus 3. Then 2 as it is, this as in 0. 3 minus 3 as in 0. Then 2 minus 6 as in minus 4. Then 1 minus 9 minus 8. Then minus 8. 3 minus 0 as in 3, 6 minus 6 as in 0, then 8 minus 12 will give you as in minus 4, 7 minus 18 will give you as in minus 11, then 5 minus 0 as in 5. Here you see, here we are having as in 2 zeros, where the second row has to be considered as in single zeros. So what we can do, we can interchange the R3 matrix with the R2 matrix, because the R3 consists as a single zero. So we will interchange the R2 with as an R3. R2 getting interchange with as an R3. This symbol will called as an interchange. Then 1, 2, 3, 0. Then 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3, 0, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 4, minus 11, 5. Now I have to make this element as in 0. So by using the R2 I will make this as in 0. I cannot use as an R1. If I am using R1 for making this as in 0, the very first element appear here. Because it's already as in 0, so we are not going to touch the R1. By using the R2 we will make this as in 0. So your operation will be as in R4 tends to R4 minus R2. If I will take as in plus, the number is going to be added because minus we are having. So we have to write as in minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3, 0, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, 0, minus 11 plus 8 as in minus 3, then 5 minus 3 as in 2. Then again I have to make these element as in 0 by using as an R3. Again I cannot use the R2. I have to use as an R3. So the operation will be as in R4 tends to R4 minus R3. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3, 0, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, 0. This as in 0, where 2 minus 2, again it will be as in 0. So the last row it's got reduces completely as in 0. So this row we cannot consider as a non-zero rows. This will call as in completely as in 0 row. So we have to write the rank by seeing the how many non-zero rows we are having. So this will called as a non-zero, even this is also called as a non-zero, even this is also called as a non-zero. So the rank of the A is equals to as in 3. By seeing the non-zero rows only we can decide the rank of the given matrix is what. So the rank of the given matrix is 3. If you are having any doubt, please ask me. If the method is clear, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.